Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn Geography, Chapter 5, Mineral and Power Resources. Let's start. Mineral resources. Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substances which consist of one or more elements. They include all organic and inorganic material that are extracted from the earth by mining. They have specific chemical composition and physical properties that help us identify them. All rocks are composed of one or more minerals. A rock which has a large concentration of a particular mineral is called an ore of that mineral. For example, iron ore and copper ore. Though minerals occur widely in rocks, they are extracted only at places where their concentration is high. Hence, extraction is economical. Minerals can be identified on the basis of color, density, and their chemical properties. They are divided into two groups, metallic and non-metallic. Metallic minerals contain metal in raw form. Iron ore, bauxite, and manganese are metallic minerals. These are found as ores in the form of lodes or veins in the cracks of igneous and metamorphic rocks. Metallic minerals may be ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous minerals contains iron-like elements such as manganese and chromites. Non-ferrous minerals do not contain iron-like elements but contain some other metals like gold, silver, and copper. The non-metallic minerals like mica, gypsum, and limestone do not contain metals. Coals and petroleum are fossil fuels. They are also called energy fuels. They occur in sedimentary rocks as layers or beds. Some minerals may occur as alluvial deposits known as placer deposits. Extraction of minerals from the earth. Extraction of a mineral from an area depends on sufficient concentration of the ore, easy accessibility of the area, and availability of the required technology. When it is ascertained that it is economically suited for carrying out extraction, the area is turned into a mine. The extraction of minerals from the earth is called mining. The method used for extraction depends on the depth at which the mineral ores are located. Minerals that lies near the surface are cut up or dug out by the process of quarry. Cutting of surface rocks to put in a stone crusher is one such example. When a mineral ore is located close to the earth's surface, it is taken out by removing the surface layer. This is called an open pit mine. When mineral deposits occur under the earth's surface, a deep hole called a shaft has to be dug to reach them. Such a deep hole is called a shaft mining. Miners use lifts to reach down the shaft into the underground chambers. The process of separating minerals from their ores by heating beyond melting point is known as smelting. Oil and natural gases are extracted from deep wells which are made by drilling into the earth. Distribution of mineral resources. Iron ore. It is the most abundantly available mineral. It can be hammered, rolled, cast, drawn into wires, welded, and combined with other metals to form an alloy. It is used for making steel. Four main varieties of iron ore can be differentiated on the basis of their iron content. Chhattisgarh 70%, 75%, magnesite 60% to 70%, limonite 50% to 60%, and siderite less than 50%. Hematite is the best quality of iron ore. Iron is combined with carbon and other materials to form different types of steel. Steel is used for construction and making bridge, engines, ship, and tanks. World distribution. Vast quantities of iron ore are found in Russia, USA, Ukraine, Kazakhstan, China, India, Brazil, France, Sweden, Venezuela, and Germany. South Africa also has deposit of iron ore. Distribution in India. Iron ore is found in Singhbhum, Jharkhand, Jionjar, Barnai, and Mayurbhanj, Orissa, Rajput, Chhattisgarh, Durg, and Basta district of Madhya Pradesh, parts of Andhra Pradesh, Salem and Trichupirapalli, Tamil Nadu, Chikmagalur, and Bellary district of Karnataka. Some irons of ore is found in Goa as well. Copper. It is largely used for making wires in the electrical industry due to its property of electrical conductivity. It is also used for making utensil and alloys like brass, bronze, and German silver. World distribution: USA, Chile, Russia, Canada, Zambia, Zaire, Peru, Poland, and India are the main producer. Distribution in India: copper reserves are found in Jharkhand, Jhunjhunu, Alwar in Rajasthan, and Kamam district in Andhra Pradesh and in some parts of Karnataka. Bauxite. It is the ore from which aluminium is extracted. After iron, bauxite is the second largest mineral extracted. This light metal is used for making aeroplanes in construction, electrical industries, manufacturing, utensil, and paints. Bauxite, when processed into aluminium, uses a very large quantity of electric power. As a result, it is located near power station. However, processing at the mining site reduces the transportation cost of this bulky raw material. World distribution: Australia, Ghana, Jamaica, Brazil, and India are major producers. Distribution in India: bauxite is found in Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Madhya Pradesh. Manganese. It is used for making steels and alloys. It is also used to make enamel, dry cell batteries, glaze, pottery, plastic, chemical, varnish, and glasses. World distribution: Russia, India, South Africa, Brazil, China, Morocco, Ghana are the major producers of manganese. Distribution in India: manganese is found in Orissa, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, and Andhra Pradesh. Tin. It is normally used for plating thin sheet of steel, galvanizing, and soldering. World distribution: Malaysia is the largest producer of tin. China, Bolivia, Indonesia, Thailand, Brazil, and Russia are the other important producers. Distribution in India: only Chhattisgarh produces tin. Gold. It is commonly used for making jewelries. World distribution: it is found in China, South Africa, Canada, USA, Mexico, Western Australia, Zimbabwe, and Ghana. Distribution in India: gold is found in Karnataka, Kallur, Andhra Pradesh, Anantapur, and Tamil Nadu Nilgiri mines. Mica. It is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. It is important in electrical goods and paint industry. It is found in sheets. World distribution: China, India, and South America have large deposit of mica. Distribution in India: it is found in Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bhilwara district in Rajasthan. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. Limestone. It is used in smelting of iron ore and in the production of cements. World distribution: Caucasus region of France is well known for limestone deposit. Distribution in India: it is found in Jharkhand, Orissa, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu. Diamond. It is commonly used for making jewelries. It can be also used for cutting glass and drilling hard rocks. World distribution: South America, Africa, and Australia are the largest producer. Distribution in India: it is found in Panna mine in Madhya Pradesh and Golconda mines in Andhra Pradesh. Salt. Halite is the mineral name of the common salt. It is used in the food and chemical industry. World distribution: it is obtained in China, USA, India, and Germany. Distribution in India: it is obtained from Lake Sambar in Rajasthan. We are one of the leading producer and exporter of salt in India. Children, rest we are going to study in the next class of SST. That's all for today. Have a good day. Have a nice day.